Good morning to all. This is Destination T from ECE department. Today I will explain about find the values of A and B so that the surfaces A, B by Z. Introduction to finding values of A and B. In this presentation, we will explore how to determine the values of A and B so that given surfaces intersect. By manipulating the equations of the surface, we can solve for A and B to find the intersection points. Understanding the relationship between the two surfaces will help us finding the values of A and B. Equation of the first surface. The equation of the first surface is the surface is a quadratic equation in three variables x, comma, y, comma, and z. To find the values of A and B, we need to consider how this surface intersects with the second surface. Equation of the second surface. The equation of the second surface is the surface is quadratic equation in three variables x, comma, y, comma, and z. Understanding the nature of this surface will help us to determine the values of A and B for intersection. Intersection of the surfaces. To find the values of A and B, we need to set the two surface equations equal to each other. This will create a system of equations that we can solve simultaneously. The solutions to this system will give us the value of A and B for intersection. Setting up the system of equation. Substitute the equation of surfaces into each other to form a single equation. This will involve replacing z in the first surface equation with the expression from the second surface equation. Simply the resulting equation to create a solvable system. Solving the system of equations. Once we have to system of equations, we can solve for the values of A and B. Use algebraic manipulation and technique to isolate A and B in the system. The solution will provide the values of A and B for the surfaces to intersect. Analyzing the intersection points. After finding the values of A and B, analyze the intersection points of the surfaces. It determines the nature of the intersection, whether it is a point, line, or plane. Visualize the intersection in 3D space to understand the relationship between the surfaces. Importance of intersection analysis. Outstanding understanding how surfaces intersect provides insights into the geometry of the problem. Intersection points can reveal symmetry, parallelism, and other geometric properties. This analysis is crucial for various applications in mathematics and engineering. Practical application. The ability to find intersection points of the surface is essential in computer graphics and modeling. Engineers use intersection analysis for designing complex structures and systems. Mathematical study intersection to understand the behavior of functions and equations. Conclusion: finding the value of A and B surfaces to intersect require algebraic manipulation and solving system of equation. Thanking you for giving me this opportunity.